Welcome to the Bearded Chef series of informative videos. We hope you enjoy.
Who doesn't love a good pizza? The crispy crust, the gooey cheese, and the delightful toppings all come together to create a symphony of flavors. But at the heart of every great pizza is the dough. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/2 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Pour in 1½ cups of warm water and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until the yeast blooms. Next up, mix the dough. Add 3 cups of bread flour and 2 teaspoons of salt to the yeast mix. Using a dough hook on low speed, mix until it starts to come together. Now let's knead. Crank up the speed to medium-high and knead for about 8 minutes until the dough is smooth and slightly sticky. For the first rise, cover the dough with plastic wrap and a towel, then let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 1½ hours until it doubles in size. Time to prep for baking. Turn the dough onto a floured surface, divide it into 2 or 4 pieces and let it rest for 10 minutes. Finally, roll it out and get creative with your toppings. Remember, great pizza starts with perfect dough. Enjoy and happy cooking.